Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll see about the free online courses that are offered by GoSkills, which is a trending online learning platform. So they have courses for a lot of different topics like project management, development, soft skills, finance, Excel and all. So there are a lot of courses, but not all of them are available for free. They have selected 10 courses to provide for free of cost. So I'll show you those 10 courses. You can use those 10 courses and see if you are interested in the courses provided by GoSkills. So if you are interested, you can also go ahead and get their unlimited access plan. So let's dive in and see their courses. So first up, we have how to prepare for a job interview. So I guess this course will be helpful for everyone. Doesn't matter in which industry you are in, this will be very helpful. So a lot of positive reviews are given for this course, and you have around 2 hours of learning materials for this course. You have 48 minutes of video duration. So you have 48 minutes of video content, but the total estimated study time for this course, including all the materials, is 2 hours. So that is what they have given here. Your instructor will be TJ Walker, a known figure in online learning. And you can see here this course is approved by CPT Certification Service and its partner is Microsoft. So you can see here the content quality will be good. That's what we can assume from this particular thing. So in syllabus, you can see what are the lessons available, what you'll exactly learn in this course. So this is the first one, how to prepare for a job interview. Next up, they have 3 courses on Excel. First one is Excel in an hour. So if you are someone who wants to learn Excel but doesn't know where to start, you can make use of this particular course. It has a lot of positive reviews. So in around 1 hour, like 1.5 hours, you can learn the basics of Excel. So this course will give you that head start. So just make use of it. It's again available for free. If you just click on the link in description, you can get details about all the courses, what you can learn. Everything will be available in the course page. So next Excel course offered by GoSkills is Excel for accounting. So if you are someone into accounting or financial analysis kind of thing, then this course will be helpful for you. You can just make use of it. You have 34 lessons in this course. Next one is Excel for marketers. You will learn how to use the data, how to derive insights from your data using Excel. So that's what you're going to learn in this Excel for marketers course. So these are the 3 different Excel courses offered by GoSkills for absolutely free of cost. Next up, we have how to create an online training course. So this is a very lucrative field now. So if you want to learn how to create an online course and how to promote it, and how to sell it, then you can just make use of this short course. I'm a little worried about it because you cannot learn everything in this short course. It's very short. But anyway, if you are in that plan, you can take this course and get to learn something useful. So this is another course which you can make use of. Next one is Intro to Lean Six Sigma. So if you want to learn about Six Sigma, you can just make use of this course. Here you learn how Lean and Six Sigma are combined to complement each other, the 5 phases of a Lean Six Sigma project, and a lot more things are available for you in this course. Make use of it. And then we have courses related to project meetings, like where you can learn how to conduct effective project meetings. And then you have a course about effective criticism, and then there is conflict resolution for professionals course, and then you have how to conduct a job interview course. So all these 10 courses are available for absolutely free of cost in GoSkills. Click on the link in description. You can just go to our website, get details about all these courses. So you'll find this page link in description. If you just come here and scroll down, you'll see all those 10 courses and the links to go to the course. So it is available for you here. You can just go through it. And if you want to get more updates about online courses, do subscribe to answersQ and press the bell icon so that you'll get a notification whenever we upload a video like this.